Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best men's straight shaving razors is probably one of the most important tools for achieving a perfect haircut. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best haircut razors on the market. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best haircut razor we choose for you. Number 5. These genuine blades by Darby are individually wrapped for long-lasting sharpness and quality, perfect for at-home use or in barbershop. The flippable blade cover and comfortable metal grip allow for easy maneuvering and a close shave. Keep a steady motion and pressure for best results. The black matte finish helps prevent rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Enjoy a perfect shaving experience every time. This straight-edge barber razor offers a reliable and silken shave with its classic brass design and chrome finish. Ensure the blade is securely locked within the safety walls, and the cap is in place for safe usage. Gently squeeze the protection cap before closing for a tight grip. What we like? If you are looking for a razor that offers premium quality and durability, the number 1 product is your best choice. With a box of 100 genuine blades by Darby, each individually wrapped, this razor will outlast many shaves. The smooth grip and comfortable metal handle allow for easy maneuvering and a close shave. The black matte finish over the stainless steel body helps deter rust, ensuring a long-lasting performance. Whether you're using it at home or in a barbershop, this razor provides a perfect shaving experience. What people say?
I like the weight of this razor and how sharp the blades are. Be careful. Took me a couple moments to figure out how to take it apart and insert the blade. It's quite sturdy and holds the blade in place firmly. Get a great barber shave at home with this shavette. Takes a little getting used to compared to other razors. Cuts clean lines and super clean and close shave. Comes with 100 blades. Huge value for the price. I'm more than pleased with this razor. Great product. Big mouth bang for your buck.
Number 4. Dive into the world of professional grooming with these clippers. The 9-length combs ensure perfect hair and beard grooming, ranging from 1/16 to 5/8 inches. Harness the might of the lithium rechargeable battery for 40 minutes of cordless action. This electric haircut kit is rechargeable and features a rapid 5-minute quick charge. Elevate your look with the extra-wide curved blade. As a top face shaver, it contours for impeccable, even trims every time. This 14-piece set is every man's dream beard grooming kit. Perfect as a hair cutter, it offers convenience and style in one package. Say hello to the pinnacle of shavers, 100% washable and superbly cordless. Designed for modern men, this wireless hair clipper makes grooming seamless. What we like? For those seeking bold precision and unbeatable power, number 2 is the perfect choice. With 9-length combs ranging from 1/16 to 5/8 inches, this razor guarantees perfection in hair and beard grooming. The lithium rechargeable battery provides 40 minutes of cordless action, and the rapid 5-minute quick charge ensures you're never without power. The extra-wide, curved blade contours to your face, delivering impeccable and even trims every time. Convenient, stylish, and waterproof. This razor is designed for grooming on the go. What people say?
The razor is easy to use and gives a smooth, professional-looking cut. The design allows for easy maneuvering, even in hard-to-reach areas like the back of the head. The product saves time and money by allowing for at-home haircuts.
Number 3. You can use this hair trimmer with or without a cord, making self-cutting super convenient. One full charge lasts up to 200 minutes of use, and when the power is used up, it supports plug and play. Simply press the power button to start the machine. Press the button to switch between 3 different gear strengths. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn off the machine. This barber set includes everything you need for cutting hair, such as an electric clipper, cape, lubricating oil, cleaning brush, comb, scissors, and a variety of guard attachments for different hair lengths. This multi-purpose hair clipper functions as both a hair clipper and a beard trimmer in one device. It includes full-size guide combs for trimming head and face hair and is suitable for kids' haircuts thanks to low noise and safety blades. The electric clipper's motor is powerful and quiet, cutting through thick hair with ease. The blades are designed to remove hair without snagging or pulling, providing an effective haircut. What we like? If you're looking for versatility and convenience, Nadura 3 is the ideal choice. This hair trimmer can be used with or without a cord, providing maximum flexibility. With 3 gear strength adjustments, you can customize the cutting experience to your preference. The 13-piece grooming kit includes everything you need for a complete haircut, from different hair length attachments to scissors and a comb. Whether you're cutting your own hair or someone else's, this professional clipper offers low noise, safety blades, and a powerful rotary motor for an effective and quiet haircut. What people say?
The clippers are made with high-quality materials, ensuring a long-lasting and durable product. Overall, the Hawkeye hair clippers for men offer great value and are recommended for those in need of a reliable and easy-to-use hair clipper. Bald guy here. Have to shave my head about every couple of days. This razor works great. Feels hefty in the hand, holds a charge well, cuts great. Works with standard clipper blades. Display tells you which speed it's on, it has 3, and how much charge left.
Number 2. Finding and remembering. Your favorite hair length is easier than ever. Simply match the correct comb to the desired cutting length for a hassle-free haircut. Adjusting the trim length is pain-free with a variety of cutting lengths to choose from. The self-sharpening blades effortlessly cut through even the thickest of hair. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for grooming, from guide combs and ear tapers to styling combs and blade oil. Wahl provides all the tools for a professional haircut at home. Whether you're maintaining your hair in between salon visits or need grooming tools for your beard or nose hair, Wahl offers high-quality products made for use in the USA. Trust Wahl for all your grooming needs. For over 100 years, Wahl clippers and trimmers have been trusted by professionals in the salon and barbering industry. Experience the quality construction and smooth performance of Wahl products for your grooming routine. What we like? For easy and hassle-free haircuts, number 4 is the ultimate choice. The color-coded guide combs make it simple to find and remember your favorite hair length. With self-sharpening blades that cut through the thickest of hair, you'll achieve smooth and precise cuts every time. The 26-piece grooming kit includes everything you need, from guide combs and ear tapers to eyebrow trim combs and hair clips. Wahl, a brand trusted by professionals for over 100 years, delivers high-quality tools for a smooth clip, trim, or shave. What people say?
I used this for the first time today to cut my husband's hair. I was pleased with the ease of use and how well it cut, plus a lot of choices of cut length attachments. The feel and the performance is better. The scissors included are smaller and cheaper, but are sharp and would be fine if you don't have big hands. It's great they give you so many attachments, as well as 2 combs, but I feel they could leave some sizes out and give you better normal size scissors. Overall, this is a good buy, and I was pleasantly surprised to see the quality of the trimmer is still first rate. Love the attachments, easy to find what I needed. Also the scissors were rounded and very sharp, which was good, and also you got a variety of several combs, not just one.
Number 1. Experience the sleek design and comfortable grip of our stainless steel razor. It's the perfect tool for a smooth styling experience. Our razor is professional grade and salon quality, guaranteed to never rust or tarnish with use. You can trust in its durability and performance. Innovatively designed for convenience, our razor features quick blade insert remove functionality. It's the ultimate tool for effortless styling. Enjoy the lightweight design and strong grip handle of our razor. Handmade for best performance, it's a must-have for any grooming routine. With our standard lifetime return guarantee, you can try our razor risk-free today. No questions asked, just a commitment to your satisfaction. What we like. If you're looking for a razor with a signature style and premium quality, the number 5 product is the perfect fit. With a stainless steel razor and a perfectly weighted ergonomic design, this razor offers a smooth styling experience. It is professional grade and guaranteed to never rust or tarnish. The lightweight and comfortable grip handle make it easy to use, and the quick blade insert remove feature adds to the convenience. With a lifetime guarantee, you can try this razor risk-free today. What people say?
It feels exactly like a shave from a regular straight razor, easier to use though since you don't need to run it on a stone. Through a little trial and error, I learned the blades last a couple shaved longer if you run it on a leather strap 4 times on each side, but don't go for a 3rd time because then it's just losing its edge. Some folks have a hard time finding the right razor for finer, more lush hair. I actually use it on my scalp for a mohawk, and it shaves so smooth. Best razor ever, fully recommend. I can easily use this to shave my beard line myself. I recommend watching a few YouTube videos first, as there is a learning curve, but it's not difficult at all. I love that I can change the blades and don't have to worry about sharpening them. Since the blade doesn't reach the end of the razor, maneuverability can be a little challenging at times. I could use this on someone else much easier than on myself. For this price, this is a great value.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.